everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. As you can see from the thumbnail, I am going to be creating a Halloween tutorial and I'm going to be showing you how you can turn yourself into Sabrina Spellman from Netflix, the scene where she gets a little bit evil. So yeah, super excited to create this look. A lot of you say I actually look quite similar to her, and weirdly I have to agree because ever since shooting this photo, well, yeah, I mean, you can see the difference there. Wow. We kind of look quite similar in a really scary way. So that is why I thought I would do this Halloween tutorial and I'm so excited. I've got lots of goodies. I've got my red shirt. Yeah, let's get Halloweened up. As you can see, I've already got my base and my brows done, but I will be adding to the whole look. So let's get going. So guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? I can't even see if I am in the frame because these contact lenses are so foggy. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this Sabrina Spellman, evil Sabrina look inspired by the Netflix series. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and please leave a comment. I've got so many more Halloween tutorials coming soon. Thanks so much for watching guys. I'll see you in another video very soon. Peace out.